Enjoy great coastal living. Like new end-unit townhouse with premium upgrades, the Tern East Beach is just across the street from the beach. Bright, open floor plan. Both bedrooms west/ensuite baths, spacious kitchen, 42 cabinets, under cabinet lighting, plenty of recessed lights, oak stairs, composite decking, low maintenance, Hardieplank siding, rear loading garage plus driveway space and designated guest parking, pet-friendly community and no flood insurance required, close to shops, restaurants, breweries, and a great beach lifestyle.